Ambani's Vantara isn't just saving animals, it's inspiring the next generation too. Through educational tours, interactive programs, and hands-on experiences, Vantara teaches children the value of compassion, respect, and responsibility toward all living beings. Kids witness real-life rescue stories, meet rescued animals, and learn about wildlife conservation up close. By making conservation personal and emotional, Vantara plants seeds of kindness and awareness in young hearts, nurturing a future where protecting animals and nature is second nature.